the open BICAM that, well, the Senate and the House of Representatives seem to be in agreement. What is your own position
Well, I
about
am in
this?
favor of an open BICAM for the people to know what is happening during the budget deliberations and the budget BICAM. There's no problem with me.
There have been some bothersome allegations about Senate President Cheese Escudero. Uh, do you have any view? Yung pagpunta po niya sa Kongreso, yung pagbuo ng maliit na committee, aside from the BICAM, meron pang...
Well, I have talked with Senate President Escudero with regard to the yung pagpunta niya ron sa House of Representatives, and he intimated to me that was a BICAM meeting with the presence of Senator Grace and everybody. So I don't think that is a big issue.
Would you agree with him that it may come from the House of Representatives? Ganyan na po bang kalalim ang iringan sa dalawang legislative bodies na
Well,
nagtatapunan ng putik, if I may put it that way?
well, I will reserve my comment on that.
Well, Senator, there were lots of promises made by President Marcos in his fourth SONA, and I wanted to ask particularly about his promise to return any proposed bill in the GAA na hindi daw aligned doon sa NEP ng Pangulo. Your reaction to that, Senator?
Well, that is a welcome development for all of us, not only for the legislators but for the Filipino people. Kaya nga bukas kami sa open BICAM para wala nang katanungan. At least makikita ng publiko kung ano yung pinag-uusapan sa BICAM.